Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Chignik local and long-distance movers near me. So, the day has come. You have to finally leave the city you were born in to move ahead. Taking a step out of your city is quite difficult. But do you know what is even more difficult? Moving to a new city with all your belongings is the most difficult task. It is true. You may ask everyone who has shifted to a new place in the past. Everyone will for sure warn you about one thing, and that is how hectic it is moving all your goods from one place to another. No matter how hard he tries, a person can't lift all his belongings to a new place single-handedly. Shifting also requires a lot of time, effort, and special skills, and it cannot be managed by an average person all by himself, especially if he is shifting to a new place for the first time. 3Movers are someone who can make this burden very light for you. Their team of experts makes shifting a piece of cake. They have everything from the best quality packing material to the latest tools required to ensure smooth packing and moving. 3Movers take care of all your concerns. Every permit or permission is taken care of by the experts at 3Movers. Your equipment is packed in the best quality packing material, and a highly trained and professional team of movers takes extreme care of your belongings. Additionally, you are provided with insurance on each of your goods, and this insurance is totally free of cost. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chignik moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.